guys, what's up? Welcome back. So it's Valentine's Day and I haven't even uploaded a freaking Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. But I'm gonna make it up to you guys and do something different. So I'm gonna be sharing my favorite pinks and my favorite rose tone lipsticks with you guys in today's video. And I know sometimes it's kind of hard to find that perfect rosy pink lipstick, especially for us women of color, because most of the times we always have to pair a lip product with a lip pencil just to make it, you know, look presentable on us. But I picked out 5 of my favorite pinks and rosy tone lipsticks. Some of them are drugstore and some of them are high-end. So if you're gonna be going out to celebrate Valentine's Day tonight, or if you're just gonna wait until the weekend to celebrate Valentine's Day and you don't plan on wearing a lot of makeup, but you want a really cute lip, then this video is hopefully going to be helpful for you guys. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing my top 5 pinks and rosy tone lipsticks for Valentine's Day, then let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright, so I guess I'll go ahead and start out with the drugstore lipsticks that I have, and I only have 2 to share. The first one is by Milani, and this is the number 42 in the shade Rose. And this one is, like it says, it's like a really pretty rose color. And I'll also be doing close-ups of all of the swatches that I'm going to be doing on my hand throughout this video. So this is just pretty much like a rosy tone mauve lipstick, and it has a nice sheen to it. These I think are like, I don't know, $3 or $4. Honestly, I can't remember how much these are, but I'll make sure to try to have the prices on the screen as well for you guys. But you can get these from CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, Target. And I'll go ahead and apply it right now, like on my lips, so you guys can see what it looks like on me. So I'll go ahead and quickly apply this. Now, one thing about the Milani lipsticks is they are pigmented, but you have to build it up to get that pigmentation. So that it's not a bad thing, but at the same time it's not a good thing because you're using so much product trying to build it up. Some of my Milani lipsticks, I notice I have to do that, and then there are some that I don't even have to do that because that first swipe is pigmented. And I noticed that in the darker, like the darker shades that I have. But let me show you what this one looks like. And I love how moisturizing these are on the lips. So this is what Rose looks like on the lips. Very, very like cute and girly. You can also get away with wearing this shade as a like everyday color, something that you can just throw on and go. You don't necessarily have to match it up with anything. It's just a really good everyday lip that just looks super cute and super, super girly. But yeah, that is the one by Milani Cosmetics, and again, it is in the shade Rose. Alright, this next one is by Radiance, and this is one of their new HD lip sculptors. I did a full review and lip swatch on all 8 of these shades if you guys have not seen that already. But yeah, and the one that I really like is in the shade Divine Diva. So this is like a really pretty rosy tone, kind of similar to the Milani lipstick that we just applied. Alright, so there's that one. Now these do have like a really soft creamy feel to them, and also once this sits on your lips for a while, it does dry down to more of a matte finish. It loses that slight shine that you guys can see right now. I have worn these for a long period of time, and I did notice that it does dry down to where it's still, you know, it's still comfortable on the lips, but it loses that shine, if that makes sense. So I can see a little bit of shine, but you know, after you wear it throughout the day, it does lose the shine and it does dry down to a more matte finish, but it is very comfortable on the lips. I had a couple of people say that they came across some that felt really crummy on the lips. I have not experienced that at all. I guess the thing that I could recommend is just, you know, moisturizing your lips before you apply these, but I have not experienced any crumminess or, you know, grittiness or cracking of the lips. None of that with these lipsticks. But again, this is in the shade Divine Diva. This is also a really good color to wear if you don't want to wear makeup and you just want that bright pop of color on the lips, but at the same time not too bright. I just realized I forgot to swatch it on my hand. Let me swatch it right beside the Milani lipstick so you guys can see the difference. So it looked kind of similar to Milani, it just doesn't have that sheen to it. but both of them are like the perfect rosy lip to wear. All right, this next one is by Mented Cosmetics, and I've mentioned them a couple of times on my channel. This is a black owned makeup business, and they have some of the best lipsticks. They're very similar to the MAC Cosmetics lipsticks. If you're looking for that perfect nude lip, they have it for you. So definitely check out their website. But I did pick out one of my favorite pink lipsticks that they have, and it's in the shade Pretty in Pink. So this is what it looks like. I'll swatch it on my hand. This is more of a lighter Barbie doll pink, but at the same time it's not like super, super bright to where you have to put a lip liner with it. So there it is right there. So for those of you who like a pink lipstick but don't want to pair it with, you know, like a lip liner or any other type of lip product to make it work, this one, you need it. So this is definitely a brown girl friendly pink lipstick. Very cute on the lips, very girly. These are very comfortable on the lips, very pigmented. They glide on like butter. They're very smooth, very comfortable. I think I said comfortable already, but it still looks really good. I feel like it's definitely a brown girl friendly pink, and it just looks really good. So yeah, again, this is in the shade Pretty in Pink. Okay, these last two lipsticks are my throwback lipsticks, like the ones that I would wear all the time in the past. So they are MAC Cosmetics lipsticks. So I have just an original lipstick by MAC in the shade Cream in Your Coffee, and this is the one that I purchased twice already. And the other one is a Sheen Supreme lipstick. It's in the shade Zen Rose. All right, so this is Cream in Your Coffee, and I love this color. I would wear this so much, especially like when I was working retail. I always had like a cute little lipstick on, and this one was the one that I always reached for. But yes, love this shade. Again, it's in the shade Cream in Your Coffee, and it is just the perfect rose mauve lip that I think everybody needs in their collection. All right, so my very last one is the Sheen Supreme lipstick in the shade Zen Rose. I feel like a lot of people didn't, you know, rave about the Sheen Supreme lipsticks from MAC. I don't know. I think I only have 3 of these, and this was the only one that I really liked. So this is a bright color. So if you're into your bright, vibrant pop of colors, this is the perfect pink. But for my people of color out there who have been wanting like a bright color on your lips, but you just don't know what color to start out with a shade like this, because you can definitely get away with wearing this without, you know, pairing it with anything. So there it is right there. These are super, super creamy, very, very creamy, like super creamy. So I'll go ahead and apply it. I just feel like this type of color, like this type of pink or slash purple magenta, looks good on everybody. So if you've been wanting to test out, you know, brighter colors but don't know what type of bright color to go for, get something like this and it's gonna look good, like good on you. All right, so this is what Zen Rose looks like on the lips. I feel like with this color, you can get it in so many other brands. Like a drugstore brand, you can definitely find a lipstick like this. And this was one of my favorites in the past that I feel like I need to show a little more love to. So since today is Valentine's Day, I feel like I'm just showing so much love to my old favorites. Ooh. Let me know if you guys want to see a video of like my throwback favorites. Let me know. But yeah, I think that is everything I have for this video. So I really hope it helped those of you who have been searching for that perfect rosy, pinky, girly lip color for your collection, and also for those of you who are going out tonight for Valentine's Day, or if you're waiting for the weekend to go out on your dates. I really hope this video helped with you choosing what color to wear for your date. But anyway, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you thumbs it up if you did, and do not forget to subscribe if you guys are not subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.